Hi, my name is Maboko Seabi. I'm an analyst at BROKSTOCK, and in this video, we'll take a look into dividend payments. Dividend payments are normally declared during earnings report. They are normally voted on by the board of directors, depending on the profit of the company or if the company has excess cash to give back to the investors. This is also used as an investment strategy, which is some call it dividend investment strategy, where investors then buy into a particular share with the hopes of it paying dividends, whether it will be monthly, quarterly, or yearly. So they hold on to it and then they will be receiving dividends based off the amount of shares they are holding. So remember that the dividends that they report to you will be based off one share. And the other thing is worth noting is that there's always the last day to trade it, right? Or known as the ex-dividend date. This is basically the last day you can actually trade to participate in the dividend payment. So we're going to jump into the app and see how we can find them. So as you scroll into the For You tab and you scroll down, you'll find upcoming dividends. So with this upcoming dividends, there are a couple of ways in which you can filter it, right? If it is you're interested in the JSE shares, you can click on JSE, and then these are the companies that will be paying dividends, right? You can also filter them down if you're interested in the date when it is. So you can filter them by date and then you can see them. You can also filter them by amount, right? So if you check it out here, we have US stocks, right? And if you click on see all, then it gives you all the companies that will be paying dividends in the app, right? We also have how you can filter them out via the amount, right? Which means the companies that are paying the highest dividend going all the way down, right? So this is how you can actually then filter them, right? And then also, if it is you're interested in a particular company, right? Maybe you didn't find it here. As you scroll down, you will find information about its dividends and will also give you the last day in which to trade it, right? Like in this instance, this one is the last day to buy this share and end dividends, which is the day we were recording this video. And then you can actually then purchase the share and then hold it. And then tomorrow, it means you can't be participating in the share. So if you buy the share tomorrow, it means you won't be participating in the dividend payment. And it's worth noting, since we are providing a CFD platform, is that if you have shorted the company, then you will be also liable to be paying the dividends. So they'll be deducting the funds from your account instead of then giving you the dividends. So it works vice versa. Well, that would be all for dividend payments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and keep a lookout for the next video.